Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making Sabudana pancakes, which are also known as Sago seed pancakes. Sabudana pancakes are made during fasting or vrat. It is a very delicious savory dish which is very easy, quick and tasty. You can relish it for your regular breakfast, lunch, evening snack or even your dinner. So what are we waiting for? Let's see how to make this healthy recipe. The main ingredient in today's dish is sago seeds, also known as sabudana. We have 250 grams of sago seeds and we'll need to wash this a couple of times and then soak it in warm water for around 6 hours. It has been 6 hours, and as you can see, our sago seeds have nearly tripled in size and have tripled in weight as well. Let's have a look at the rest of the ingredients. Half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of crushed peanuts, 2 tablespoons fresh coriander, 2 big boiled and mashed potatoes, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon rock salt, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon ginger and chili paste, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, and 1 tablespoon cumin powder. Now we're going to mix all of our ingredients together. Our washed and soaked sago seeds, our brown sugar, rock salt, ginger and chili paste, sesame seeds, black pepper powder, cumin powder, crushed peanuts, boiled and mashed potatoes, freshly chopped coriander, and half a lemon. Then we're going to mix everything together. If you like our recipes, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing recipes. Now that we have mixed all our ingredients together, we're going to grease our hands and make a little ball. Then we're going to put it on some butter paper. And roll it out. Once you have rolled it out, you can just cook it on a pan, or you can make mini pancakes like we are going to. First we're going to cut out some shapes. Now that we have made our mini pancakes and put them in our mini pancake pan, we're going to just brush some oil. Then we're going to cook it, and after a couple of minutes, flip it over. Cooked it for a couple of minutes on a low flame. Now we're going to flip it. it again on the other side. We're going to take them out on a paper towel to remove all the excess oil. In the same way, we're going to cook the rest of our Sabudana pancakes, and then it's time for serving. You can see once they're done, they look so delicious and crispy with just 2 drops of oil. I'm going to share an exciting secret with you, which is that by using the same mixture you can make Sabudana Vadas too. This would give you another nice recipe and would also take your cooking to the next level. We've cooked our balls on both sides with just 2 drops of oil in each, and now it's time for plating. So these are Sabudana pancakes and Sabudana Vadas at the end. If you like these recipes, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes just like this one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!